Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our gold. So, last week, right, we did analysis on our. I told you guys that for the week, gold will be giving us a bullish move. If you've not watched the analysis we did last week, you can go back to watch it. And this is the bullish move that gold did. Gold opened and closed bullish. With this movement, if I'm not wrong, if you grab nothing less than about, you can see it's about 1,500, 1,600 pips, right? Over 1,000, over 1,600 pips, right? Bullish move, gold did give us. So this is one of the reasons why if you are new and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like and share. You can also subscribe to the membership, right? So our membership, all you just need to do is go to click on this channel. You will see the membership. Join. Once you join, you will be able to get back-to-back updates, instant updates, and you'll also be able to go live with us. So now, this week that you're also predicting for, we're expecting gold to give us a bullish move this week also. Why are we going to be anticipating that bullish move is what we are going to look at right now. Now let's go to our weekly time frame. First, we would want to see what market will be doing for us for the week. Then you need to look at it from the weekly time frame standpoint. Now, the first thing you will ask yourself before you take a trade is that what is the trend? You would want to know the trend of that trend. And as you can see on our gold, we are in an uptrend. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. This is a very clear bullish move market is giving us right here. Now, if you have to zoom it in right here, guys, you see this to be your impulse move, which is your high. Then this is your pullback phase, which is your low. Now, this can also be seen as your impulsive move, which is also your high, which we had a series of higher high and higher low, right? Then here comes the pullback phase. Now, market was able to give us another bullish move, which is an impulse move, right? You can see that an impulse move, right? Then market eventually give us a pullback phase, right? After the pullback phase, market then give us another impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low. Then here comes the pullback phase. Now, market has now pushed up and it has given us an impulsive move. Is this impossible move over? Definitely not. So we will continue that bullish move till market is able to cover this high here. As you can see, like I said, we will continue that bullish move on gold till market is able to take out this high. So this is the reason why I said if you are a swing trader or you are a position trader, you would like to hold your position for the next 3 months, right? Going for the buy your gold and because gold will still push up and tap a level of 5,600. And guess what? Once it taps a level of 5,600, guess what it will do next? It will break above it and even head straight to the level of 6,000. Yes, gold is heading straight to the level of 6,000. Have that in mind. So guys, buy and hold your position because we would continue the bullish move on gold. Now let's go down to our daily time. We can also zoom it out also. You can see the trend. It is very clear that the trend is what? An uptrend. We are clearly trending to the upside. Market is very much bullish. Now, guys, take a look at this moment, right? That market did give us. This is the first move, which is the I. Let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is seen as our I, you can take a look at this to be our higher low. Then we will see this to be our higher high. Then what? An higher low. Then we can now see this to be a new higher high. And then here comes the higher low, right? Now, after the market has given us an higher low, this is another bullish move that did form a new higher high, right? So we can expect an higher low and then another higher high. So markets will continue that higher high and higher low movement. So we will continue that bullish move. Have that in mind. Gold will continue to movement to the upside. Now, let's go down to our 4-hour time frame also. So we can see that we've gotten a multiple rejection at this zone right here. So market rejected from here multiple times. You can see it. Which one serves as a support level. Guess what market did? Market eventually push up and right? Now expect a pullback. After the pullback, gold will give us one more push up again. So basically, we will continue the bullish move on gold. So whatever you want to be doing on your gold, be going in for the buy. Now, more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. And also, guys, subscribe to the membership, to our membership. Once you click on the channel, you will see it.